Okay, folks, in the beginning here, in the first few sets of questions we had here, we covered some of the accessory use conditions. We really only covered two parameters. One of them is it ancillary to the main use? Does it fit within the main use? The second condition we covered is the 10% rule, meaning does the aggregate area of all the accessory occupancies, are they less than 10% of the floor they serve? There is another component that we have to take into consideration. In addition to whether it's an ancillary use and whether it meets the 10% rule, it is also not allowed to exceed the tabular values of Table 503. Table 503 is just our height and area table that we use all the time. If you do any plan review or you do a lot of new buildings like we do in my office, you're going to use Table 503 all the time. So we're going to cover Table 503 and teach you how to get your head around that. So stand by. Okay, here we are looking at Table 503. This is just a partial table. Obviously there's a lot of other use groups that are within this table, but this partial table is going to cover the use groups that we're covering in these test questions here. There are always three conditions to review when looking at this table. They are height in stories as measured from the grade plane, height in feet as measured from the grade plane, and area per floor or story. So we're going to get started. We're going to take this chart and apply this to some of the questions. For instance, you may look at the top on the left there, the A2 use. You may say an A2 use, 5B construction, is going to be 6,000 square feet, 1 story in height, and that's basically the way we're going to review all these questions. Shouldn't be that hard, so hold on your hats, here we go.